If your Nokia C32 is acting up or you're locked out and can't access it normally, here's how to do a hard reset. If the phone is off and unresponsive, start by turning it off completely. Then press and hold both the volume up and power buttons at the same time. When you see the Nokia logo, let go of the power button but keep holding the volume up button. This will bring you into recovery mode, which is a simple menu on a black screen. From here, use the volume buttons to scroll to wipe data/factory reset and press the power button to select it. It'll ask you to confirm, so just choose yes. Once it's done, scroll down to Reboot System Now and press power to finish up. Your phone will restart and you'll have a fresh start. If the phone is on and you can access the settings, just head over to Settings, scroll down and tap on System. Then go to Reset Options and choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. Keep in mind this will erase everything on your phone, so try to back up anything important beforehand if you can. Also, if your Google account is linked to the phone, you'll need to log back in after the reset due to the FRP lock. Lastly, make sure your battery is at least 50% charged, just in case the process takes a little longer than expected. If the reset menu doesn't appear the first time, repeat the button combo and hold a bit longer. And once the phone boots up again, take your time setting it up, checking updates, and signing back into your apps to make sure everything runs smoothly.